So up till now, we've done the power washer on the deck. We've taken off most of the grit and the grime. Give it a bit of a brush over to make sure there are no leaves or other things on here before you get started. Pour your deck cleaner in. Keep a bit behind just in case there's a few spots which need a second go. Dip your brush and try not to splash it onto painted surfaces. That's my tip, because you don't want to be taking paint off your walls. Give it a nice good amount on each board. You want to be getting them quite nice and damp. So it'll take a little while, but patience and perseverance, you'll get a great result. I've left a couple of boards on the side so that we can see the difference after we've done this. Well, we've done the area we're going to be concentrating on. It'll take a little while for this to dry off a bit. You don't want it to go too dry. You want to be able to wash this off. So we'll get the hose and that sorted out in a second. We'll wash this off and then we'll see how it looks. We may have to go over a few spots. There's a few bits here which still look pretty black, but we do have to wait until this has done its magic, and you'll be surprised the difference. The boards are looking pretty good now. It started to dry off a bit, so we should hose off the excess. See how it is after it's completely dried. Come back and attack any of the spots which might need a second go. We've washed the deck. If you have a bit of a look now, you can probably get a rough idea while it's damp of what we're aiming for once we've oiled it. You'll see there are still some dark marks we're going to have to deal with, but if you compare this with the rest of the deck, and again these two boards we haven't touched on the side, you can see a massive difference. Now this deck's about 5 years old. It's never been oiled or touched before, so this is a great canvas on which to do this work, so we can really see how well you can bring a deck up with our products.